What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we have the dirt bike. And what's cool about this is my buddy Tyler, and this is actually going on his channel. My buddy Tyler, he can actually sit on this and he can kick it one kick and it'll start right up. Now, this is a big gun exhaust. She sounds beautiful. Clutch, and this is a 2001 XR 100R 4-stroke. And I'm going to be firing up here in a minute. I'm just going around here. Man, I just got it. There's a little bit of rust there. The pin numbers says it's a 2003 model. XR. And Honda motor. Yeah. It's 2003 model. I meant, not 2001, 2003. Make sure she's in neutral here. So, click it down for first. Half up. Alright, Alright, yep. So, I'm gonna give her a kick. Have the brake on, I have the brake on here just for safety issues, you know. Honda, I don't want to ride. And I know what y'all do. Kill switch. She starts right out first kick every time, guys. This is gonna be it for today's video. This is gonna be on my intro. This is gonna be my new intro. Not for this video, but for my next video I do. 19-inch, 16-inch. That concludes for today's video, guys. With XR100, and see you in the next video. It's probably gonna be me riding it. It ain't gonna be up the street, but it's probably gonna be at my grandma's house. But I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll do a couple of vlogs with Tyler, do a couple of vlogs with my brother on his dirt bike, and I'll do a couple of vlogs with me on this dirt bike, or in Walmart and stuff. But you never know. But yeah, guys, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will for sure see you on tomorrow's video with my boy Tyler, if I can go. Peace.